Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Elisha. So what I'm going to be introducing to you is the trading platform. It's one of the easiest to learn, and you're likely to begin to make some profits real soon if you just stay focused. So what I'll do is, in this video I will show you how to create an account, how to set it up and have it verified. Then in the subsequent sequels, I will actually be teaching you the basics of Forex. In no time, you will become a pro trader. Yeah, so let's get started. So after you happen to click the link in the description section, this is the section that you're gonna land on. So here, punch in the email address, then create a password. Thereafter, check in here and then hit sign up. Let me just do that. You'll fall on this page. So you'll receive a welcoming message. All you have to do is you click continue. And then you choose the country where you're from and the currency. Okay, so you click the drop down arrow so as to choose the country where you're from here. Okay, Afghanistan. And then after you're done, you click confirm. Okay, so from there you fall on this page. And so the first option is to deposit, the second one is tutorial. When you click tutorial, you will be shown around the platform and you'll be acquainted with the features of the platform. So I'm gonna just click start so that I go straight away to the platform. And boom, I'm in. So what you will need to do is to finish up verification. How do you do that? You click on the avatar in the top left corner. Now, when you get here, you need to click profile. And then you click profile, the second option. Okay. So you will see this one popping up saying email verification. To secure your account, follow the link in the verification email sent to your registered email address. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head on to my email inbox and then verify my account. So here I am, and it's the first. Okay, it's the first email. So I'm gonna click on top. Okay, so after clicking the link in the email inbox, this one will change to verified from unverified. And on top there, you need to punch in your first name. So let me punch in my first name. I am Mahad. Then click the tick there. And boom, that has been saved. Then the last name is board. Headboard. Then I'm gonna click tick, and that has been saved. Then I'll need to punch in the phone number, the date of birth. Then here where it reads identify status, just click and verify. Click and verify. Okay, so it will bring all the things that you need to punch in. Understand? So this will be much easier when you happen to fill in the first spaces. your phone number, the date of birth. After you fill in all those, then you're gonna see that space where you need to upload your ID card, the front and the back parts. It's just as simple as I've explained. Then here, when you scroll down where it reads social trading, just click there so that you change the avatar. So I've picked it. All right, I hope you picked one or two things. In the next video, I will be showing you how to I'll be showing you a couple of things, ranging from changing the indicators as well as the charts. Then I'm going to be introducing to you the features that you know not of on Forex. Catch you in the next video.